Hello there. This video explains how to fit Bosch Aerotwin wiper blades to a car. Now, the Aerotwin comes in multiple sizes and it connects to a wide variety of mounts. Note then that for this demonstration we're fitting a 26-inch blade to a windscreen wiper arm that has a side pin mount. That, of course, assumes I can find the right type of blade among my collection. That'll do nicely. Welcome to Car Spy TV. Right, here's how to fit Bosch Aerotwin wiper blades. Obviously, the first step is to remove the old blade, so lift the wiper arm off the windscreen. Now, twist the blade until it forms a letter T. And slide the blade in this direction until it comes off. To fit the new Bosch Aerotwin blade, note that the wiper arm has this metal pin. Furthermore, the blade itself has a hole that accepts the pin. So, push the blade onto the pin. And let the wiper blade fall out of the T position. And finally, push the wiper arm back onto the windscreen. But hold on, before you rush off, there's an important point I haven't yet mentioned. At the start of this video, I casually said, lift the wiper arm off the windscreen. Now, on many cars, that's as easy as it sounds. You just grab the wiper arm and lift it. However, on some cars, you have to put the windscreen wipers into service mode or a service position before they can be lifted off the windscreen. So, if that applies to your car, it's best to check the owner's manual to establish the precise procedure. Why? Because cars vary, so I can't tell you a single universal procedure that's guaranteed to work. That would make life way too easy, wouldn't it? Yeah, too easy? Too easy? Yeah. I can give you an example though. Often, the procedure is something like this. Twist the ignition key one click to the right, then twist the key one click to the left, then flick the wand that operates the windscreen wipers all the way down. I think you also have to pat your head and rub your tummy. But whatever buttons you have to press in your particular car, at the end of the procedure, the wiper arm should be pointing up. You can then pull them off the windscreen. And that's it. That's how to fit Bosch Aerotwin wiper blades to a car. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content. Click the bell next to the subscribe button so you're told when I release it. And do me a favour and click like on this video. Right, that's all for now. Oh no. I think it's going to rain.